Hello, I'm here and I am opening my box. I'm super excited for the Nexus Field, the pyramid. I am super excited. Here I am opening the box. Dun, 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 dun. We're opening the box. We're opening the box. Get the little fluffies out. Okay. Super excited. Okay. So, little love card. We have this awesome. Oh, this is so cool. I know how you see people and see the videos are like, oh wow. No, this is like really cool. If you can see, there's a flower design, the swirls, really nice, really nice. Nexus Field Pyramid. I'm super excited. Then we got, whoa. Okay. Oof. Oh. OMG. As you can look, here is the pyramid. Beautiful, the coil. There's, you can see the stones in them. The energy just coming off of this is amazing. Like, literally, it's hitting my field. I can feel the relaxation coming in my neck, moving down. This is like amazing. And then when you put it together like this, I mean, like, OMG, like seriously, like, I keep saying like because this is really strong, very amazing. Just feel it going into your field. It just feels like it's going in, moving something, amping it up. But it just also feel like a little bit of release coming through. This is amazing. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Be back to tell you guys some more. Hi, I am back with my review on the Nexus Field Pyramid. This is it. Wow. All I can say is you don't know what you don't know. So it's made for clarity and balance. Do you really want clarity? You need to really think about that, because I was like, oh, I want the truth, I want clarity. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You will receive clarity. You need to understand, you want clarity? You want truth? This is gonna give it to you. And you have to be prepared for the truth. You don't like your job? That's the truth. You don't like your friends? That's the truth. You don't like your family? Oh my goodness. And then it's not only clarity, it also helps you to understand, like, okay, this is my truth. I got the clarity I need. Maybe I didn't want to hear it. However, it comes in with a solution. Yes, I got the clarity I needed, but it's kind of like, now that I have this truth, what can I do? This is amazing. I put it by my bed. It lights up. I did not know this at first, but look at this. OMG, look how wonderful this is. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. And it stays lights up. Also on the stand that it has, this little, you put it over here, and this thing over here lights up. If you put it like around here, see how that lights up? I don't know if you can kind of see it, but yes, it lights up. So I'm very energy sensitive. And the reality that these two things together, I just found that questions that I was contemplating on, things that I wanted the truth on, oh, I got it. I sure got it. And I'm going to tell you, answers were not what I expected them to be. However, the clarity was spoken and it was in. And then it was just like, okay. So I did feel that once I had the high of like, yeah. And then it was like, okay, I can do this. It's okay. It will be okay. So this right here, next level. It is super amazing. It comes into your field. You do get the answers. However, once you get bombarded with the answers, then it's kind of like smooths your energy field out. And then it lets you breathe a little bit so you can find the balance to deal with whatever you need to deal with truth and clarity. This is amazing. I love this product. It is the Nexus Field Pyramid. I can't wait until the others come out because I'm definitely going to get them all. Thank you.